An EF-1 tornado touched down last night in Fannin County during that large swath of storms. And a look at the damage to the rural area tonight. Good evening, I'm Clarice Tinsley. First at 5:30, National Weather Service spent the day in Fannin County northeast of Dallas surveying the tornado damage. Thankfully, no one was hurt. But some of the structures that were hit were flattened by winds that topped 95 miles an hour. Fox 4's Alex BOYÉR has been in Fannin County all day. He joins us live. Hi, Alex.
Hi, Clarice, that's right. And this is the kind of damage we're seeing all up and down Highway 78 in Fannin County. This was a workshop, which you can see it was flattened by those winds. Over there, you can see the roof is ripped off of what was the guest house behind this home. And there was actually a chicken coop right here. You can see some of the chickens walking around here. The families tell me that surprisingly and thankfully, all of the chickens survived that tornado coming through here all day long. Neighbors and strangers have been showing up to folks here along Highway 78, helping people begin to pick up the pieces. From Sky 4, you can see the damage done to several homes and structures caused by damaging winds that tore through parts of Fannin County Monday night. As the sun came up Tuesday, homeowners began surveying the damage.
It's just amazing to me to look and see.
Jill Pederzelka's home escaped relatively unscathed. The walls are made of concrete, but their guest house and workshop were destroyed.
You get up this morning and you start looking and it's like, oh my gosh, there's some stuff that is still neatly stacked and is still on a shelf in what's left of a building, and other stuff is all over the place.
Her next door neighbor suffered similar damage. The house is intact, but the workshop and garage gone. Suzanne Province, who lives in McKinney, came to check on her parents who were home at the time.
My dad saw a wheelbarrow tumble by and then the tree fall, and my mom said, we need to get in the bathroom. And as soon as she got into the hall, my dad was still standing at the door and the board came flying through the window right next to him, and glass went everywhere. And
thankfully, they're okay. According to the Fannin County Emergency Management Coordinator, at least a dozen homes and structures, mostly along Highway 78 near Leonard, were damaged by the storm.
We were very lucky because there are no injuries.
Troy Hudson toured the debris field about a mile long with a meteorologist with the National Weather Service Fort Worth office.
She's talking with the homeowners, and they're looking at the damage, and they're looking at, at the building material, how sound the buildings are, and the structures, what they're made out of. That actually helps them determine, when it comes to the wind speed, and then looking at the radar and determining where the path was, for them to be able to come up with their rating on, the wind speed.
Folks we talked to just grateful it wasn't worse and no lives were lost.
Up close and personal. I've seen tornadoes before, but nothing, that's damaged my house and things of that nature. So it was different, that's for certain. It's just a house, we can fix that.
And as we come back out here live, you can get a close look inside of what was this shed. It's pretty incredible. Some of the things still inside of the cabinets weren't moved. Some of the things on top of the work counter also untouched. But then you can see, of course, inside everything else is tossed around. And I can tell you that the Fannin County Emergency Management Office has set up shop inside of the Leonard City Hall. So anybody that has any damage or needs help from Fannin County can stop by City Hall today and tomorrow and get those needs addressed.